So today I'm working on a 2008 Mini Cooper S where the flex pipe here has come apart. Now this pipe going from there to just beyond the converter here is available readily, but they want over $800 for it. So the friend of mine who owns the car doesn't exactly want to put $800+ into that pipe. So we bought this flex pipe section that's universal from the auto parts store, which is about $35, and I'm going to make this work instead. Now this pipe is 2 3/8 diameter, and of course we couldn't get 2 3/8 on the flex pipe, so I bought 2 1/2, and where it necks down a little bit, where the pipe comes together, I can cut it right there and make it work, and we'll see that later. I'll be taking this apart and I'll cut it off right here, and I'll weld it here, and then I'll weld it again back here. Now the reason I'm TIG welding this is this piece is stainless and this piece is not, so we should use stainless wire to weld it together, and I don't have stainless wire for my MIG. So after cutting the crimp part off the other pipe, now I can tack weld that together, and then we come back here and take all the hangers loose and take this bracket out right here, so that we can drop the whole exhaust system down and I can finish welding it. Alright, now it's all welded up. I just need to let it cool off a little bit, and I'll throw some exhaust paint over the areas that are not stainless. So that's one down and dirty way, and not to mention very cost-effective way of replacing the flex pipe on a newer Mini Cooper S. Now, as I was editing the video, I found that I was missing the footage from the very end showing the system back on the car. So it is what it is. Now, like, subscribe, comment below if you like what you're seeing. This is MG Rob. See you next time.